Hello everyone, welcome to this crypto flash. We're going to discuss two topics. First is the bull market returning. You'll see a few signals that confirm Bitcoin's comeback. Then, what's the value of CKB? It's absolutely mind-blowing. In 5 years of crypto, I've never seen anything like it. Across platforms, we saw massive price differences. Believe it or not, CKB went 4x in 20 minutes on one exchange, then it dropped. But the gaps were incredible. When it was 1 cent on Binance, it hit 3.8 cents elsewhere. We'll look at several platforms. It's stabilizing now, but shows extreme volatility. A Korean exchange listing CKB is bringing huge volume. I think what's happening with CKB is explosive. Looking at the market, the chart is simply stunning. We're seeing impressive volumes, nearly 30 billion for Bitcoin. And look, we're close to hitting the 60 billion mark. But I believe the hardest part, the turnaround, is already done. We've discussed this a lot recently. We've been in a downtrend for almost 6 months straight. What ended the bearish move was when we started making lower highs. We reversed here, exploded upwards. That was step one. On September 9th, we broke the series of lower highs. Then we confirmed the second target on the 12th. This to me is crucial because it's all connected. We're breaking this key third zone live, as you can see. So why is it so important? Because we were looking at 1 hour charts, small time frames. What interests me is that it confirms the inverted head and shoulders on the daily time frame. Why? Because we've broken through this area. This area where we were falling, we stopped, formed a bear flag, we drop, we break through, especially this crucial area. So there it is, it's confirmed. We can finally say it's confirmed. Next, it's interesting to look at 3 stocks because it's looking great. It's also confirming. It was far from doing so before, but now it's confirming. But this is just the first step. Second step at 24.80. Then we have Tau. This is very important. It's breaking through 300. That's really fantastic. 300 exploding live on Tau. Here we go with Tau. That's very exciting. Boom, in just 4 hours. So yeah, that's great. We saw it coming just like Bitcoin exactly. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Now we can say it's confirmed. Why is that? We broke past that last zone. We blew past it just as we saw. XRP is not bad at all. It's starting to rise again. It just exploded. Now it's digesting. I think XRP will rise again. Let's look at CKB, today's hot topic. Take a look. I'm on Binance by default. We can see it exploded. It went up to 1.5. Now it's stable around 1.3. I'll show you different quotes. CKB USDT has multiple exchanges. On Gate.io, it's totally different. Really, at noon, some people made a lot of money. Don't forget, some people just bought CKB at 0.025. So right now, those who bought on Gate.io are down 50%, unfortunately. It's important to know this. It's good to show you this as it lets us dive into details. You see, there's no universal CKB price as we see on Bubble. I don't know how they do it. They must average it, but you have a price for each marketplace. Usually they're close and consistent, but this is just crazy. It shows extreme nervousness. I've never seen anything like it. Really massive. Look, 0.025. Let's go check Bybit. Bidget even more. At noon, there was a real spike. Look what it did since this morning. Over 300% increase. It quadrupled here and there. Most importantly, look, I'm on a 5-minute chart. It tripled in just 5 minutes. It's pretty insane. Next, let's also check out KuCoin. KuCoin similarly rose, but stayed reasonable, though higher than on Binance and HTX. Look, it went up to 0.032 and now stabilizes back to 14. It's very odd. We'll see the consequences, but I think it's very good news. What we forgot to mention is that while this is happening in the top 100, in the top 200, there's Gordia, which I don't know at all, but it's exploding. And we have CKB. Look at the very high speculation, promising a fantastic weekend. We'll discuss more tomorrow morning. In the morning, we'll see the numbers, but there's 600 million in cap, now 743 million. More than the capital has changed hands, about 1.2 times the initial capital. We might hit $1 billion, and at that point, it could be worth $1 billion, but either way, and we're in for a wild weekend. Let me know your thoughts if you have any insights on the quotation differences. Personally, I've never seen anything like this before. On that note, have a great weekend. See you soon. Ciao.